Hey guys, Steve here. Today I wanted to show you a strategy that you can use to boost your sales, to increase your signups, and to take your business to a whole different level, and keep it affordable, right? What if there was a way that allowed you to give away all kinds of different things, but doesn't cost you a lot of money, right? What if there was a way that you can give away vacations, give away electronics, give away discounts, give away tickets, give away, you name it, we can give it away. Medical discounts, cards, vouchers, amusement park trips, movie passes. What if there was a way to give that away in order to increase your sales, right? What if you gave people something of valuable and something tangible to get them in? Here's an example of how this works, right? When you go test drive a car at the dealership, there's always a sign like, hey, come test drive my car, you'll get a TV, or we'll give you a 32-inch or something. How about this? Come to Walmart and we'll give you, or not Walmart, Target, whatever. We got incentive programs. You buy this much, you get this many reward points. That's also an incentive. Or how about this? You come to my restaurant, you buy this bowl of pasta and you get this side of salad, right? So you get the solid salad for free, right? And that's an incentive to get you to buy the pasta that you're trying to get rid of. It might even be stale, but who knows? They're getting rid of pasta. Like, that's what those specials do. They get rid of their old food, right? They get rid of their pasta and you buy, you get a free salad or something, right? That's an incentive program. Now, most major businesses have an incentive. So why not you as an online business person or a offline business person, because it works there too? Why not have this kind of resource? Why not have the ability to boost your sales, signups, and increase your ROI, right? All at the same time, right? Without costing you more than $100 one time, without adding to your monthly recurring bills, right? I want to show you something. So we already know what I'm talking about is an incentive program. Now, I want to show you a platform that already does that. Now, this is just a platform that you may know, but it's one that I'm familiar with. And I just want to do a comparison and show you something here. Now, this platform right here is called Marketing Boost, and I'm not knocking it. Every program has its use, right? But this particular program allows you to what? Give away unlimited getaways. They're calling it couples getaways, but they're vacations. Let's just call it what it is. With a complimentary hotel stay. Come on now. Okay, we're giving away getaway. They're making the words sound better than what they are, but basically it's the fluff, right? You're basically getting a vacation. That's it. At over 125 popular destinations with unlimited hotel saving cards, hotels, and all kinds of other incentives, right? But the key we want to go in on is you have two different levels. You have a gold and a platinum, but what we want to focus on and key in on is what this says right here. You can pay $28 a month, almost $30 a month, to have the ability to give away couples getaways, also known as vacations, unlimited vacation incentives, vacations, right? Unlimited restaurant incentives, discounts, unlimited hotel savings, discounts, and it has a comprehensive video training library, right? Tells you how to sell the product, how to market the product, and other online business or business-oriented training, right? Keep that in mind. You have sales funnels and landing page, right? And you got Facebook community, and that's kind of where it goes, but you still have to pay what? What are you paying? You're paying a monthly fee. Now, you go one level up from that, and you have an upgrade that you pay almost $78 a month, or annual of $927, but you're basically doing the ability to do the same thing, but it's the business. It's a business class type deal where you get to give it away for businesses. Now, what if there's a way that I can show you how to still do all of this, give away vacations, give away hotels, give away incentives, but more affordably? Would you be interested? Would you want to know how to affordably boost your sales, your signups, and also have the training associated with that? Well, I'm sure you would, because I did, right? I looked at marketing at this particular platform and was like, shoot, I'm good. And then I stumbled across this platform here. Now, this platform is called the Daily Takeover. And it basically does the same thing. Not basically, it does the same thing with a little bit more, because you get what? You get 100% commissions, and I'll show you how. So this is the affiliate page for the Daily Takeover, which is an incentive platform designed to dramatically boost website traffic and sales for any business. I mean, who doesn't want that, right? So basically, also, not basically, but also you get an opportunity or the resources to learn how to get over 1,429 traffic sources. Because why? Every business needs traffic sources. Every business needs a way to keep promoting and keep putting their business out there. Every business needs an audience in order for you to give these free products to what? Bring them into your business and increase your sales, right? Which is awesome, right? So not only do we give you the traffic sources, we show you how to use these traffic sources, but we also give you physical items to give to your prospects, right? The people coming into your door to view your offer. And those physical products include 7-inch Wi-Fi tablets, touch MP4 players, vacation getaways at over 60,000 plus locations, right? Flight discounts, movie tickets, concert tickets, cruises, grocery savings, dining savings, shopping deals, and much more, right? And they're unlimited. And guess what? You only pay a one-time fee. It's not even a monthly fee for this. It's a one-time fee, right? I mean, monthly versus one-time. And it's not some ridiculous one-time fee either. It's a very affordable one-time fee. And what's more appealing to this whole offer is that you can make 100% commission, right? So you pay for it one time, and you can make that same commission over and over and over and over again, right? So let's take a look at this. Here's some common questions. This is just the page that shows some pictures of what you can get for free and what you can also give away for free. Yeah, did you catch me? I said what you could get for free and give away for free. So what I want to show you is that with this affiliate program that you spend $100 one time, not only can you make $100 over and over again, but you can also use the products that you are giving away for free. So basically, if you click the link in the description box below and you partner with me, guess what you get on day one? I'm waiting. You get access to vacations, discounts, electronics, all that you can use personally. So basically, you're paying $100 for what? The ability to get discounts on everything and the ability to give away the same things that you have, which is a no-brainer. Who wouldn't want to even use this stuff, let alone who wouldn't want to sell it to make money off of? That's why I'm not understanding why you haven't clicked the link yet. You haven't clicked the link. But anyway, let's jump over to, I want to show you the back office real quick and show you some of the incentives that you click here to access vacations and getaways and incentives that you can use. I just want to show you a little bit of what they are. So basically, this is what you get for signing up with me today. You click the link in the description box below, make your one-time payment, no monthly fees, and this is what you get today. You can choose from over 3,000 locations, a 7-night resort condo. You can choose to go to Vegas. What goes on in Vegas stays in Vegas. You can go for 1 to 4 days, right? But not only that, you can use these same incentives to give away to promote different businesses and different opportunities. You get discounts on hotel and airfare. You get 4-night luxurious Mexico resort getaways. You get 2-night hotel stays. You get 3-night hotel stays. You know, on and on and on. You can get cruises. You also get dinner savings vouchers, right? Where you can eat out at different restaurants and you can save. And that's a value of over $400 alone. You also can get electronics to give away, like a smartwatch, right? Or earbuds, or a Wi-Fi tablet, or you can get a prescription card, or you can get a Bluetooth speaker, or you can get savings on wine, or you can get teeth whitening systems, and you can give these away, like I said. So you can use these. You can use them and give them away for Christmas. Christmas is around the corner, right? Give them away for holidays, bar mitzvahs, birthdays, or whatever. It's up to you, but you get these for free. And it allows you to give them away for free. So if you have a business, say you want to get people in to check out your specials, your business, your free your Scentsy candles, or your jewelry, or your affiliate programs, your high ticket programs, you can always tie it to something like you can get a 3-day vacation if you get the annual plan, or you can get a 3-day vacation if you buy $100 worth of product or whatever. You know what I'm saying? So you can tie it to something to incentivize people to spend money with you, and you can give them something that you can give away all day for a one-time $100 fee, which is amazing, because once people see that and they see that you have the ability to give that away to them, they may pick that up from you too. Not only will they, come into whatever program you're offering, but you can also promote that same ability to them, right? I mean, it's an excellent team kind of building program to you can help your team by offering these same products to them, right? So it's an awesome platform, but that's all I wanted to show you. I wanted to show you how the Daily Takeover is more affordable than this. I'm not knocking them, but this is more affordable than this, paying a monthly fee of $30 a month or $80 a month when you can pay a one-time fee of $100 and get 100% commissions. This one, I'm not sure what the commission structure is, but I'm sure if you're paying a monthly fee, it's going to have some kind of residual effect. But hey, who wants to pay monthly when I could pay one time, right? What kind of ROI do you have if you only buy something once and can resell it over and over again and make that same money versus 30% commissions on a monthly fee residually? I don't know. I mean, I'm sure you can make an argument for that, but I'll take the $100 up front, all day, 100% commission all day. I'll take it. And I can always give away stuff and keep bringing people in the door. But anyway, that's all I wanted to say is how you can boost your business and boost the sales and increase your views by offering an incentive for people to come check out your offer, offering an incentive for people to come check out your business. Just like every other successful business out there, the car dealerships, the department stores, you could be boosting your sales and your opportunity in your business using a platform just like this. So that's all that I got. I just wanted to throw this together and let you know about the Daily Takeover and how anybody that's doing business, whether online or offline, needs a resource like this, and how it can really boost your traffic, your sales, your signups, and your wallet by making those 100% commission, $100 over and over and over again. Anyway, that's all that I got. Hope you enjoyed the content. Like, share, and subscribe. I'm Steve, and I'm out.